I have never truly connected with a group of people so instantaneously. It has been amazing to come here and to meet all these wonderful people, many of which I'm probably going to stay in contact with. I think it is such a connective and inspiring thing to just meeting people in the STEM field, have dreams like myself.
This program has definitely impacted my view on STEM, because before I definitely only liked science, but now it's opened my eyes to other careers, and I think I'm enjoying technology a bit more now, so I might even pick up a career in computer science.
The Curious Mind project has helped me change my view on STEM, because I get to stay curious and learn new things and from different coaches who have had their different experiences in different areas of STEM. So that's been pretty cool.
My favourite part of the Curious Minds program would probably be the supercharge sessions that we have. So we've been having specialised sessions in each area of STEM, and for me personally, I love these sessions because we always get to experience and have exposure to equipment and activities that we don't get to do at school. We get to explore different areas of physics, chemistry and all types of STEM that are not in the curriculum at school, so I really like that.
A lot of hands-on activities, specialising in different areas of STEM, so even if you didn't like one session, there's going to be others that you will enjoy.
I think it's such an amazing partnership between ASI, AMT to create Curious Minds. It really is just cultivating and encouraging young women who would never have these opportunities beforehand to a career or an interest in STEM. It's opening doors for them, forming connections, and really showing them what they can do in the future.
Curious Minds!